Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate a custom contact form into your Shopify store, step by step, even if you're brand new to Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking contact form that allows your customers to reach out to you directly, and you'll understand how easy and approachable customizing your store can be. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to your Shopify admin page. Think of this as the control center for your entire store. It's where you make changes, manage products, and customize your website. If you're already logged in, great. If not, just go to Shopify.com, log in with your credentials, and you'll be dropped into your dashboard. Once you're in the admin panel, look for Online Store in the menu on the left-hand side. This is the section dedicated to how your shop looks to customers. You'll want to click on Online Store. Now, a little drop-down is going to appear right underneath. From here, you want to click on Customize. This opens up the theme editor, which lets you make visual changes to your site, sort of like rearranging furniture in a room to better suit your style and needs. Take a moment to let that page load, because sometimes the theme editor takes a few seconds. Now, look for the template labeled Contact from the top drop-down menu. This is Shopify's default template for contact pages. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just click on the drop-down and scroll until you find Contact. Select it. This tells Shopify you want to edit the contact page, not some other page on your website. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar called Sections. This is where you add or rearrange pieces of your page, like adding blocks to Lego. Each section makes up a part of your site. Find and click the button that says Add Section. If you're new to this, be sure to take your time here and double-check what section you're adding. You don't want to accidentally add the wrong thing. Now, you'll see a search field or a list of available sections. I want you to type in Contact Form. This narrows down your options and pulls up everything related to contact forms. When you see Contact Form appear, go ahead and select it. What this is doing is pulling in Shopify's built-in contact form widget, but you can absolutely tweak it later to match your store's branding, colors, or even add extra fields for specific info you'd like to collect from customers. Once the contact form appears as a section on your template, take a quick look at it. You can usually preview how it'll look to your customers right here, making sure it fits in with the rest of your page. If you want, you can drag its position so it's right where you want it, top, bottom, or sandwiched between other sections. This kind of flexibility helps you design a store that's both beautiful and functional. And finally, don't forget to hit the Save button in the top right corner. I know it's easy to get excited and click away, but saving locks in all those changes. Once you've done that, your new contact form is live and ready to collect messages from customers. It's that simple. So, just to recap, you went from your Shopify admin, opened your store customizer, selected the contact page, and added a new contact form section, all in just a few clicks. It's a simple process, but this small change can make your business feel more approachable and trustworthy to your customers. If you found this Shopify tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Got a question about customizing your store or want to suggest the next tutorial? Drop a comment below, and I'll be sure to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe so you'll never miss another beginner-friendly Shopify guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.